The former health secretary was unsurprisingly picked to do Thursday's Bush-Tucker trial titled Tentacles of Terror on I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here. And a teaser clip for the episode shows Matt Hancock gasping for air in the water-based trial. Will the MP be able to get more than 6 stars this time? In the clip, Declan Donnelly remarks, "You've got to hold your breath for a long time. You don't have to hold your breath, just him," Ant McPartlin jokes. As Matt comes up to the surface for air, Dec remarks, "Your air hole gets smaller." His co-presenter adds, "What did you call him?" Read more. Speaking after Wednesday night's episode, Ant and Dec admitted it wasn't surprising Hancock was picked for another Bush-Tucker trial. Dec said, "It's the least surprising outcome we've ever had." The pair even joked another member of parliament could go into the jungle, but they draw the line at Boris Johnson. Dec teased, "Is there anyone else going in and? Is what's his chops going in? Old Gavin Williamson, he resigned from the government yesterday. What about Liz Truss, is she coming?" Ant laughed, "Yeah, go on then, she's not doing anything." "What about Boris Johnson?" "No, I draw the line at that," Dec hit back. Meanwhile, the arrival of Matt has split the camp, with Boy George particularly saddened by his inclusion. The pop icon admitted on Wednesday in scenes that were not aired that he's close to quitting the show. Speaking in the Bush Telegraph, he said, "I don't really know what to do with my feelings. You know, today was obviously quite emotional for me. I don't know what it's going to be like, I don't know whether I actually don't really know if I want to be here." However, after some encouraging words with Sue Clever, George decided to stay in the camp. Speaking earlier in the episode, he told Scarlett Douglas why the MP's arrival is problematic for him. "You know, beginning of the pandemic my mum was in hospital. I wasn't allowed to see her," he said. "I thought she was going to die. I was tweeting Greenwich Hospital going, 'Please look after my mum.' I used my name, I was like, 'Please look after my mum.' And they did, she was fine. I feel like, I don't want to be sitting here like I'm having fun with him. It's difficult for me because, you know, had something happened, if my mum had gone, I wouldn't be here now. I would have gone when he walked in. I'm a Celebrity. Get Me Out of Here" continues tonight on ITV at 9 p.m.